المسلمين فليس منهم. إيشي بوجتها الله وحبيك أكتها ملانيه كرام ما دام دولته أي هيستو عيدا كفلان وحوق له ظروف وحبا إسكا هيساه.
This radio is push out key messages that we think the Somali population should listen to.
dad ma bereynayno dad ma dilayno dad ma xireyno dhalinyarada waxaan jeclahay wixii shabaab ku jira hatta noo soo celiya maxaan ku raadaan guryahooda ha joogaan masaajidooda ha joogaan iskooladooda ha joogaan beerooda ha fashaan waalidiintooda ha la joogaan.
To go past the enemy.
Mission yetu hapana kwama kesho au kesho kutwa. Mission yetu na kwama kama tumefika Barawe. Na hizi tanks lazima zitafika wapi? Barawe. Operation yenye tunaenda kuanza kesho ni operation ambao ita transcend up to Barawe. Tunaelewana? So ni juhudi yenu kuhakikisha kwamba mna support watu hii. So lazima kila kitu iko tayari. When you're preparing for a battle, you have to put all things or your house in order. What happens here is that you check on all equipment. This is the final touches. I want to see how my tanks are. I want to see how my BMP2s are. I want to see how my trucks are. I want to see how my engineering equipments are. I want to see what my soldiers are doing, the morale they have. This is the essence of doing this. It's very, very important.